How many siblings do you have, Jennifer?
I have 2 siblings. 1 brother and 1 sister. My sister Jill is older than me. Felix is the oldest. I'm the youngest in the family.
Oh, I thought your sister was younger than you. You are much taller than her.
How about you? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah. I have 1 older sister and 1 older brother. I'm the middle child. I'm the tallest in the family. I'm also the smartest, richest, and the most successful in the family.
Ah, I see. That's why you are so competitive. You're the most competitive person that I know.
Yes, perhaps. And you're the youngest. I think that explains you too. You're the most spoiled person I know.
Oh, touché.
Seriously, though. Friends and family are really important to me. They are more important than money. They are the most important thing in the world. This sushi is so tasty. It's much better than the sushi back home. I really love Japan.
Yeah, this is the best sushi I've ever had in my life.
The last temple that we visited was pretty old.
Actually, it's the oldest temple in Japan. Luckily, we got to see the sunrise this morning. It was the most beautiful sunrise ever.
It sure was. This wasabi is spicy. It's spicier than the stuff we had at the last restaurant. My nose is on fire.
I agree. It's the spiciest wasabi I've ever had. It's making me cry.
This car is faster than my old car. This is the fastest car that Ford makes. It's pretty cool. Don't you think?
Yeah, it's the fastest, coolest, and most stylish car I've ever driven. Thanks for letting me take it for a spin. Why did you buy a new car? Your last car was really nice.
Well, my last one was too slow. It was slower than what I wanted. I really like to drive fast. I love speed.
I see. I take the train to work every day. It's the slowest mode of transportation that there is.